Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Ask you a question. Do you know that our Eastern Security Network cannot come out in a street like this, in a market like this, without being attacked by the Nigeria security agent? What they do is because our men are focusing on the bush and forest against the terrorists that are invading our land. So what they do now is that they will unleash these people in Aba, Enyimba City. They will come there and parade for hours. No military, no police, no security agent will come because it is what they are doing to themselves. They know, it is an agreement. After they come to parade, they will spend hours parading there and they will leave. After they leave is when the army will come. The last time they come to parade like this, no military, no police, no security agent came there to disturb them. After they left, the army came and started killing our innocent people. They started killing our innocent people. So we are calling on our residents of Enyimba City. Any day you see them, go against them. They don't mean well for this struggle. They must be stopped. We know that they are working with the government to instigate violence in our city. And we are no longer comfortable seeing people with rags and gun covering their face in our street, and you are cheering them. Anybody that is an agitator and you are agitating for Biafra, you have no right to come to the street and molest our people with guns. We understand that the other time they issued sit-at-home order because of the president of the dead man was visiting Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. Nobody listening to that. Nobody listening to them. There were a complete movement everywhere in Biafra land except Aba, where these gunmen covering their face were disturbing and compelling people, scaring people away. It is only in Aba City, Enyimba City, that people didn't come out. So I am talking to people in Enyimba City. These people that you see on video have sabotaged Biafra struggle, and you must treat them as such. So going forward, if you see them in any street in Aba, in Abia State, treat them as your enemy, because that is who they are. And let me also tell you, because what I'm doing here is that I am coming with a proof. I do not just come and, say something without a proof. I am going to show you one of the screenshots coming from the so-called, one moment. All right. If you look at the screen here, you are going to see one of the sewage rats called Emeka Gift. That is what they do. They share it. They promote this impunity in our land. And we are today calling you that any day you see them, they are the people that sabotage Biafra. This man they called Emeka Gift posted, they are not unknown gunmen. Special task force was set up by IPOB, DOS to enforce the open grazing ban. We don't want to see Fulani cows in our street and forest anymore. You cannot use your business to destroy our businesses and the life of our people. No to Fulani cows in our street and bushes. Now, the question you should be asking yourself is this particular place now where the Fulani cows is? Is the market where the Fulani cows is? Is the market now where they are standing where the Fulani cows is? They have paraded this place for many days. They have enforced the sit at home that they ordered in Enyimba. Only in Enyimba, these people enforced sit at home, threatening our people in Enyimba. And the same way they are posting this particular human right violation and the perpetrators on their Facebook and their pages is the reason why the United Kingdom will say that some agitators have participated in human rights violation. And some of you will understand that what we are doing now has entered a different dimension. We are not going to accept this barbarism anymore. Most of them that we have expelled have shared these people. They say they are enforcing open grazing. Is this where you enforce open grazing? Is this where you ban Fulani cow? Do you see Fulani cow in the market? No. So those of you in Enyimba must come against them. I want you to understand that for when they say, oh, you see, they are not in charge of ESN, that Chinas and Woru is always posting the work of ESN, is that we do not post and the ESN do not engage in any barbarism. They post those things on their pages just to sabotage the Biafra struggle and make the international community say that you are involved in human rights violation. We are today officially distancing ourselves. These are not part of us, and they will never be part of us. These are not part of Biafra struggle, and they will never be part of Biafra struggle. You see that they have posted videos and pictures of lynching people they believe are criminals. They have posted videos and pictures where they were parading people they have killed, and they say they are kidnappers. They hired villagers to clap and sing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a savior while they parade somebody they killed extrajudicially. We cannot accept that. We are condemning the barbarism coming from Chinas and Woru and the Dead Men Squad. They are only bringing bad names to the Biafra struggle and sabotaging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They have lost everything because of their greed and jealousy. The only thing they do is to commit all manner of barbarism, violate rights, post it on social media in order to prove a point. To convince people to say, oh, we have gunmen. There are people, we have gunmen in the street. We post it. And some of them were making a comment the other day. Have you seen S.Ekpa posting anything ESN in action? Why should S.Ekpa post ESN in action? Why should I convince you that ESN is doing their job? But they are posting, they are committing crimes, killing our people, lynching them, and posting it on social media. And today, they have recognized that some people have violated human rights in the quest for Biafra struggle. And are making it openly today that they are not part of us. And any day, anywhere, you see such thing, call my attention, so we are going to address it properly. And we are warning Chinas and Woru and anybody in the Biafra struggle, including Emeka Gift, also what they call him, to desist from posting anything going forward that will incriminate the Biafra struggle and IPOB and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you do not know the implication of what you do, I, as a civilized person, cannot allow that. I will be keeping record from now going forward of this barbarism that is being committed in the name of Biafra. From today, you are hereby barred from posting anything that is incriminating against our leader. Otherwise, we are going to fight you